Hey everyone, I'm Steve Brady. Have you ever wondered if you could take the sound of one instrument and make it sound like another instrument? There's actually some AI research from Google that's able to take the timbre of one instrument and transfer it to another instrument. And they made it available through something called a Jupyter Notebook, which allows you to upload an audio sample and resynthesize it to make it sound like another instrument. So I wanted to put it to the test, so I took a clean guitar sample. I uploaded that guitar sample and resynthesized it to make it sound like a violin. So I want to show three things. The first thing is just the clean sample before it went through the model. And the second thing is the resynthesized sample on its own that sounds like a violin. And then just for fun, I took that resynthesized sample and put it to an accompaniment track just so you could see how realistic it sounds after the resynthesis. So I hope you enjoy this video and thanks for watching.